Hi, OJ Lopez here, and I've got an important announcement from Fluid Motor Union. According to the State of Illinois' Essential Business Outline, Fluid Motor Union can continue to operate as an automotive repair shop during the shelter-in-place order. This is a difficult decision and a difficult time for everybody. Small businesses are being shaken, and we're no exception. So I'm cautiously making this decision, but only under the strict adherence to the social distancing outlined by the state. We know that having reliable transportation is important for everybody, so we're going to implement some new policies that are going to allow us to operate and better serve you.
We work on all vehicles, all makes and models. We are remaining open for business, but will be moving to limited hours of operation. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday and Sunday closed. Proper covers will be used where possible to limit the spread of pathogens. Cabin filters are available with active charcoal, which does a more thorough job of stopping contaminants. We are licensed and insured to pick up and drop off your vehicle for service, and you can pay for repairs over the phone. This will help us minimize contact and observe social distancing. Employees have been instructed on proper disinfection methods and will be wearing gloves and masks when working inside of the vehicles. Our number one goal is to help customers in the best way we can. Creative financing options are now available as we recognize money might be tight in the coming months. All we ask is that you reach out to us before the repair. We will make it work. We are partnering with our friends at Brighton Auto Detailing and Hand Wash to offer a new Microban full vehicle disinfection service. Microban is a hospital-grade cleaning product. From all of us at Fluid Motor Union, thank you.